No mahara mai ki te wāhi auaha a Puawai, an engaging creative studio workshop environment where audiences participate in various creative activities and art development practice within an artist's creative space. Puawai is my way of showcasing the next stage of my creative development as a Māori arts practitioner. As a descendant of Manipoto, I feel honoured to work into wharetonga or te Awamutu alongside my tupuna taonga uanuku, reviving traditional Māori games, sharing my creative practice and encouraging the use of te reo Māori. A huge thank you to Danny and Michael who facilitated our spoken word poetry. It was such a beautiful way to end our Matariki month with the energy and wairua of these two creatives, and a big shout out to all our participants who shared their new wordsmith skills and your contribution to another heartfelt workshop. My original intention of putting these programs together was especially designed for adults' health and well-being through creative activities. The idea cultivated in lockdown during COVID-19 in 2020, and I thank you deeply for helping me bring this to fruition. Shout out to my cohort Awatea who rocked it, and to our main supporters, the Waipā Creative Community Scheme Fund, and of course, the Te Wharetonga o Awamutu. We had great support from our Waipā community who gave us great feedback and participation. I think my biggest takeaways for this year's Matariki is how many more people are embracing te reo Māori and giving it a go. Kia kaha ki te reo Māori e te whānau. Kei te ngākau hariko, my heart is happy. He waka eke noa. We're all in this together. Nō reira e te whānau. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tata katoa.